Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shoutout and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing card controlling technique. If I say card controlling technique, it's very wrong because it's not actually a card controlling, it's actually a type of illusion of card controlling. So I'm just kind of confused what to say it right now. Let's take it as a card controlling technique because at the end we are actually controlling a card, but without controlling it. It's just an illusion. Yes guys, it's just an illusion. So we are going to be learning the Marlo Tilt. This is an in-depth card controlling technique. In-depth. It's not about in-depth tutorial, it's about in-depth of the deck. Yes, makes sense. It's actually an illusion of putting the card somewhere in the middle of the deck, where you are actually putting it somewhere near the top of the deck. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram shoutout goes to Denver. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here's how I do this card controlling technique. First of all, I will ask my spectator to touch any playing card. For example, let's say the spectator touches this card, the 8 of clubs, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 8 out, and as you can see, I'm going to bury this 8 right somewhere inside over here, okay? Just like this. I'm going to just put that inside. It just came out, and put the rest of the 8, the rest part inside, okay? So the 8 is right now somewhere inside in this deck, right? Now if I snap my finger, you will see that the 8 has actually traveled back to the top of the deck. Now if I turn the 8 like this and I put the 8 again in the center, then after that, if I again snap my finger, it will actually come back to the top of the deck. Okay guys, so that was the Marlo Tilt. Now let's see how you can do this. The Marlo Tilt is actually an illusion of putting the card somewhere inside in the center. When you actually put the card inside over here, you can see that the card is actually going like this, okay? You can, from the front, you can actually see that the card is going inside at a certain depth. But in Marlo Tilt, what you are going to do is you are going to just put the card in the second position, okay? And you are going to do it like this way, and it would look like that the card is going inside a very deeper area. So for the actual Marlo Tilt, you just need to have a break over here and just need to have this top card raised a little bit. Your fleshy part of this palm and your fingers actually keep this card a little bit higher, tilted upside. And what you're going to do is you're going to just insert the card right over here. And while inserting, you are also going to press down the card. And that is going to create a good illusion that the card is actually going really deep. And as you do like that, you can see from the front, it looks like that the card is going really deep. It looks like that the card is going somewhere near at the center. But that is the basic Marlo Tilt. In my performance, you saw me that I have done quite a good variation of it. It's actually some add-ons, 2 add-ons that I actually gave to this Marlo Tilt. And this is going to help you a lot while doing this trick because it actually makes your illusion look more successful, more better. So what you are going to do for that Marlo Tilt is, you're going to spread these cards and you're going to ask your spectator to touch any playing card. And as your spectator touches a playing card like this, for example, say this one, you're going to just grab the playing card over here and you're going to show it to your spectator. And as you show it to your spectator, what you are going to do is you're going to pull this card backwards with your thumb. So while you are showing, you're doing this motion like this, and you're going to just tilt your hand like this so that this pushed card cannot be seen if you actually tilt your hand at this angle. And what you're going to do is, as you're going to just show it, you're going to do that move, and after that you're going to come back like this, and you're going to just keep the deck like this, entire deck like this. So you actually have a random card coming out from the back of the deck, and what you're going to do is after that is you're going to take out this card and you're going to show it again to the spectator, and you're going to say that okay, again see this card one more time so that you don't forget, or you can just make any excuse for showing him the card just to take out the card from the center of the pack. And at that same moment what you're going to do is you're going to take a pinky break under the top card. Okay, so right now you're in a very good position to do the Marlo tilt. Now you can see that it looks like that the card is going very deep from the front, but in reality it is actually going into the second position. So this is actually a basic card controlling technique, and it's very useful for card magic when the spectators are in your exact front. In my performance you have seen that cards were actually coming out from this position, and it looked like that I was actually trying to push the card inside somewhere around the center. And what you're going to do is, first you're not going to just push it right over here in the second position. You're going to come over here and you're going to try to push any card out from over here. Okay, as you strike over here with the corner of the card, you can see the cards are actually coming out from the front. So that is a good illusion. So first of all you're going to strike and you're going to go a little bit inside so that it looks like from the front that you're going to just put the card somewhere around inside the center. So for that reason you need to strike over here with this corner of the card so that you can make any card just go out, and it would look like that you're trying to put it in the center. And after doing this a couple of times, like 1 or 2 times, what you're going to do is you're going to actually put it in the second position, and then you're going to just press down like this and you're going to just push this card right up to this position. Then you're going to say that this card is coming out, let me fix this. And as you fix this, as you're going to just push it inside, you're also going to push the spectator selection that is in the second position, both of those inside, and you're going to square this deck, and you're also going to drop the top card on the top of the second card. And then what you are going to do is you're going to just show to your spectator that some amount of their selection is still outside while their actual selection is right over here. They are going to think that their card is over here because they don't know that you have actually pulled a card backwards from the beginning. So they will think that their card is actually over here and you're going to push it somewhere around in the middle. So it looks like that you have put their card somewhere around in the middle. And then you can actually do a double lift, and then you can show that their card has come to the top. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a demo of this entire procedure in slow motion from the side angle so that you can see what is actually happening in real time. You're going to spread your cards just like this until your spectator touches one card. You're going to show that card to the spectator. By that time you have already got this card pushed towards you, and then you're going to just square up all these cards just like this, leaving one random card in jogged and their spectator selection out jogged. After that you're going to just take the card out, make any kind of excuse that you're going to show their card to them once again, and then you're going to, as you're showing the card, you're going to take a pinky break under the top card. And after that you're just going to come over here and you're going to strike 1 or twice just like this around the center of the deck, and then after that you're actually going to put it in the second position. Make sure you're actually bending this card down, so from the front it would look like it's going inside somewhere deep. And then after that you're going to just keep it over here. Then you're going to square these cards up. While squaring up, you're turning your hand up and you're going to square your spectator cards and this front out jogged cards together. And after that you come back like this, show your spectator that their card is still sticking out from the back, and then you're going to just push it. In the entire process what happened is you controlled your spectator selection to the second position of the deck, and this front out jogged card and the back in jogged card was actually my variation of doing this Marlo tilt. Hope you liked it, and that was actually the entire tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card controlling trick. Illusion of card control, or card control of illusion. No, illusion of card control. It makes sense right now. It makes sense. Marlo Tilt is a fucking card controlling illusion. That's really confusing, but yes, that was the tutorial for the Marlo Tilt. And if you enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shoutout. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.